Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a haul, but not just any haul. I decided to join the Scentsy family, and I am so excited to be part of this family. And basically what it means is I'm my own consultant now, and I'm just beyond excited. I got this box in the mail, and yesterday on my way out, and I'm like, okay, I need to stop, make a video of it, but it is the next day now, and I just opened it. I haven't seen what's inside it, but oh my gosh, I am so excited. I finally decided to be part of the family. So here is this big box I got. It's, I don't know, I don't know where to start, but here we go. Gosh. Oh my gosh, I had to sit down for this because it's gonna be a lot. But here we go. All right, here we go. All right. Oh, okay. First, we have a welcome to the Scentsy life. Ah! Okay. Quick start guide. Okay, I have to go over this later, but let me see. I have, oh, stickers. I see stickers in here. Okay. I got pamphlets and a product list I can take to work. Okay. I have, what is the, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have a classic curve gloss in a color gray. I wonder if this is the same one that I got from my boss. I think it might be, but I'm not sure. So, all right. I have a hand cream and Make a Splash. I'm not a hand cream person, but oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, I can't wait to use this. All right, Counter Clean and Vanilla Mint. Okay, I'm obsessed with this stuff. I use this stuff on everything, so not just my counters. All right, I have, ooh, what is this? Okay. Wow. Spring and summer 2023 catalogs. I have a lot of these. I'm going to be passing these out to my family and friends. That's for dang sure. Oh my gosh. All right, so that's that. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I think I know what this is. Some order forms. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. I'm going to use those. Those are going to come in handy. Oh, these are pamphlets. See on the back, basically like all the brands that Scentsy is partnered with. Oh my goodness. So those. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Ah! All right. I what am I gonna do? Okay, so basically this is a bag of samples that I can have my own little sniff session with, since I haven't tried with my friends and family. And oh my gosh. These are the 2023 spring and summer scents that we have in the catalog. So these are gonna come in handy, so I can't wait. But the bag is so cute. All right, let's go with this later. And last but not least, Black Raspberry Vanilla. I have heard so many good things about this bar. This was actually my very first bar too, which is funny because this is like a good start to anybody who doesn't know what Scentsy is or has a strong sensitive smell with different things. This is a very good, like, it's not too powerful, it's not too light, it's just in the middle. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using this. But oh, and also I found out that if your wax warmer dish is all dirty from the different cubes and you're trying to clean them out, this is the scent to use to get rid of the old like grime stuff that comes with it. But yeah, this is a good use for cleaning the dishes as well as a counter clean and rubbing alcohol. But yeah, so I'm super excited I have this. And that is pretty much all that came in my kit, my welcome kit. I don't know where to start, but I'm so excited to be finally part of this family, and we'll see where this adventure takes me. And so look out for many videos of Scentsy or about Scentsy, and then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my own little session, go through my paperwork and all that jazz, and I can't wait to start this journey. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.